Hello friends. In this video, I want to teach you how to register on the MyCoin Max exchange. You go to the exchange section, you select MyCoin Max and click on Go to Website. We go to the registration section. You choose your account type, which can be either individual or corporate, and enter your email in this section. You confirm the website's terms by ticking the box and click on Create Account. In this section, you need to confirm the website's rules by clicking in the appropriate area and scrolling down to the bottom. After confirming all 5 website rules, you click on this option. In the next step, you set a password for your account. I recommend using uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Also, you must enter more than 8 characters. After setting your password, you repeat it. You confirm the password and click on Create Account. A code will be sent to your email for email verification. You log into your email. Select the Max Exchange email, copy the code from the message, and enter it in this section. After entering the code, click on Verify, and your account will be activated. Your account has been created. Good luck!